The executives assigned to this show decided to test it in Jersey. As a result, they think you mouth breathers are too stupid to understand my masterpiece. So listen up, dum-dums, and let me set the stage. The world is broken. No one has any food. Oil costs $2,000 a barrel, and the only way out of this shitty life is a secret road race with a $10 million cash prize. But there's a twist. All the cars run on human blood. Welcome to Blood Drive.
Nice ride.
You see the engine?
You want me to take a look? I am pretty handy.
I bet.
Come on.
You want to look under my hood, you gotta buy me dinner first. Maybe another time.
Hey. Where are you going?
I'm late. Gotta make it to LA by sundown.
Maybe next time, dude.
Let's go get her. Why'd you stop? I was having so much fun.
Out of gas.
Oh, that's too bad. I'm not. Why don't you hop in and I'll give you a ride to town.
Yeah, no, thanks.
Hey, man, let's not do this.
I wasted $500 worth of gas chasing you through the desert. So don't be a bitch.
No one asked you to race, okay?
Barry, she's right.
Please don't.
Dude, come on.
Back off, Todd.
Please don't, please.
Come on, man.
Back up.
Stop, please don't, please.
Now, if you just hold still, then this won't hurt a bit.
Funny. I was just about to say that.
All right, hurry up, Barry.
What the fuck are you doing? No!
Sorry, pal. Gotta top off.